ladies and gentlemen. Jaymes Mansfield here, or should I say Jaymes Manscaped, with a tutorial on how to shave your man during lockdown.
I'm not shaving. I'm growing my hair out. You're not shaving me.
There may be some disagreements, so you may have to subdue your man, ladies.
What?
Now it's time to demonstrate how the Lawnmower 3.0 works. First things first, you turn it on, and you have a guided light for your target. And look how easily that hair comes off. The Lawnmower 3.0 is waterproof, and it has special technology, so it'll cut the hair, but not you, or in this case, the ropes. And just like that, folks, our man is shaved. Be sure and use my code Jaymes20 or Mansfield at manscaped.com. How does it feel?
Actually, I feel great.
Hi everyone, Jaymes Mansfield here, bringing you yet another video. Oh my God, you guys, I have found something at Target, yes. Now these were recommended to me on Twitter, and a couple of you commented down below that I should try these out. Now I never heard of this before, so I had to do a little bit of research. I'll never get that time back, but I discovered there is such a thing called rainbow high dolls. Yes, yes, yes. Now this is not meant for children, by the way. This is completely an adult experience, as you can tell from this very, current hairstyle. I'm a cool aunt. It's giving you like, your mom or your mom's friend, back in 1987 or 2008. She hasn't aged up yet. Hey guys, where's the party at? And if you're wondering where I got this wig, this is my Midwest Tigress double stacked. That's right, one on top of the other. For the ultimate party experience. Okay, now I'm going to show you these wigs that I found. I found these at Target. It is called Rainbow High Rainbow Wig. And look how cute that little girl is. Oh my goodness. That's one side, and that's the other side, all moody. It's like, a 1970s shampoo commercial. Now, I bought two of these, and I didn't know exactly what the wig was gonna be like, so let's just see, okay? I really like this packaging. Oh my gosh. Like, this is some deluxe packaging. It's like a Bellamy hair wig or something, where the box is just so extra. And according to this, it comes with one rainbow wig and one brush. So we'll see if that's the case. Why is there instructions in here? Let me see. Throw that down. Care instructions. Adjust the fit with the tabs. Okay. Okay, it gives you washing instructions for this wig. That's really thoughtful. Okay. Now this is the wig, packaged like a doll. Let's take this out. And the brush is really thoughtful. I can't wait to take a look at that. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's taped. Okay, that makes sense. Get out of there. Get off my hand. Okay. Why is there so many? Ah. Okay. All right. And let's get this brush out too while we're at it. Putting that. Good Lord. Okay. I like the idea of this. The thought of this is cute, but okay. Should I start selling brushes like this? Oh my gosh. I hate it, but I also kind of love it. Okay, put that there. And this is our wig, and this is, oh boy. This is definitely a wig for probably a child. Look at how small that cap is. Oh my God. I have to say, it's not poorly made. Like, it looks like a nice wig. It just, as far as a child's wig go, this is one of the nicer ones I've seen, where it's actually like cap structure put into it, and it's not like tracks 1, 2, and then the rest is nothing. They actually go all the way down to the nape, so a kid would get a pretty full experience out of this, so that's nice. And there's a decent amount of tracks packed on top. I'm just glad I bought 2 of these. I probably should have bought all 3 that were there, but you live and you learn. Okay, well, I know what you guys are waiting for. You want to see me try this wig on. Now, I can't wait to look like a cone head for you folks, so I'll be right back. What? Y'all can't tell me nothing, okay? I look sickening in this wig, okay? Yes. Let me just brush it quick with this brush. This actually isn't bad. This brush. Okay. Now, this is actually a look. I have to say, like, for a kid's wig, this is not bad. I mean, it was only like 15 bucks, so I would say this is all right. But okay, now this is definitely costume hair. Like, for sure, costume wig hair. It is not like high quality synthetic hair whatsoever. But we'll see how this goes. Like I said, the pastel and colorful wigs usually are a nightmare to style. So let's see exactly what we can get out of this, okay? I'm gonna take this off. I'll be right back. Woo, are we ready? All right, let's get started. Now, first things first, oh boy. This wig is tiny, so what I'm gonna do here is create a bang of some sort just to help me out here, because if I gotta put this on my head, honey, she gonna need a bang. as I was looking at these rainbow high wigs, I was surprised when I saw them because like they're kind of thick, like they're really cute, like little bodied dolls. They're not like your typical Barbie dolls who are like super, super thin. A girl with a little tummy. I love that. Look at these little dolls with their body. I love it. It's like they're wearing hip pads. That's cute. And like the way they're dressed and everything, it's like the little drag queens. I love it. Super colorful, super stylized, over the top. I love that because Barbie ain't over the top no more. Barbie doesn't really have a lot of fun in the modern day. It's all very like real, real, real. Whereas like these ones were like, girl, we're outrageous. Kind of reminds me of like the Bratz dolls. They were like that too, or like they were just over the top. Big eyes, big face, big hair, outrageous costumes. Okay, we got a good fringe going here now. Okay, now I have a double stack here. I don't know if I'll use it or not, but we'll see. All right, I want to tease up more of you. Yeah, I never heard of these dolls. I was like, what in the hell? Like rainbow high now? I remember there was like fairy tale high or something. There's monster high. Lots of high school. But like rainbow high, I attend that school. That sounds fun. I mean, I kind of already did in my childhood. I went to a rainbow high in itself, the Alliance School. But I imagine it's probably a lot different than the Rainbow High doll series. Oh, already got a knot. Love that. Okay. Let's cut that out. It was like for a $15 wig, I am seeing a product that is exactly at that price point. The packaging was pretty, okay? Like I was really floored by that. Like over the top, so much detail was put into that packaging, my gosh. Ugh, but yeah, this is exactly what I expected for a wig meant for children. This is so costumey. But I guess it's like made for, kids to just run around and, get messy and imagine just toss it out after it's unworkable. Yeah, for a $15 price point, this is what I expected. I mean, it's not bad considering like I've gotten wigs from like Disney and stuff where like they were not nearly as many tracks in them as this has. Like some major companies have released wigs and like they were not the tea. This one at least put the tracks all the way to the bottom of the cap. See, now there is that. I commend that. All right, I'm going to tease the rest of this off camera and I will be right back. All right, I am back. Now the wig is all teased out. So this is how she looks. Now, so far, not very much, but I'm going to make something out of this, okay? I promise you, something wearable will come out of this wig, okay? Oh boy. All right, well, here we go. Okay, I got my, I thought I had, what are you doing here? Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down. Here we go. Okay, now we're better. How did you get out? I feel like I'm babysitting. Good Lord. Get where I tell you to go. All right. Now the hair is going where I want it to go. Let's just smooth some of this back. Now, it don't look like much, but I promise you, I have an idea. I think. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure this will work. I thought I was done working with this cheap costume hair, but then again, here we are again. Every single time, it always works its way back into my life. Someone recommended this, and honestly, I could see why. Y'all love to watch me suffer. You really do. Just once, I'd like for one of my subscribers to send me like a beautiful, soft human hair wig, full, so many tracks, with a roller set already in it. Oh, that would be a dream. I'd love that. I'll put that in the universe and manifest it. Even though I know if you're watching me style a $15 wig, ain't no one buying a human hair wig for me anytime soon. Okay, now let's start cutting these bangs. Okay, she's kind of cute or whatever. Now we gotta do something with this top bit. All right, we just divide some hair because I have an idea of what I want to do. Oh yeah, okay, and that actually gives me some good space to put a double stack in, which, lo and behold, I did tease out a second wig. Thinking ahead, let's just smooth over a surface of it. She is serving some kind of My Little Pony fantasy. I'm living. The JJ Snapping Turtle would love this wig. All right, let's put that in here. And it should just go right through because that's a mesh cap. I don't know why it's giving me attitude right now. It's like, I don't want to be a style. Let me just zip tie this in quick. I'll BRB, just like a shh, BRB. All right, Here we are, just styling. Wouldn't that be a trip? I actually styled this whole thing. Just kidding. Just kidding. All right, let's smooth it. Now, it's not so bad. I've cut out quite a few chunks already. Like, there are some clumps that just started to happen. That just, the best route is just getting it out of there. At the moment, like, I'm not mad at it. I think she's actually kind of cute. I mean, for what it is, I'm getting something out of it. Now, as I'm looking at these rainbow high dolls, they kind of look like, you know, if Strawberry Shortcake got a Fashion Nova code, that's sort of what she's serving. And I'm not mad at it. Like I said, like, I love the body types on the dolls. That's really, really fun. Very out of the box as far as like dolls go, because fashion dolls in history have never looked like that, which I love. Like, very 2021, very inclusive. All right, let's do a little flip. The wig stand's breaking down. Say no more. Throw me away. She's getting about as styled as this hair will allow. Okay. Oh my God. It's getting so heavy on one side. Oh my goodness. Let's start trimming some hair because it's getting a little tangled in the ends. And I want this front part to flip more. Okay. Arm's getting tired, my goodness. Sore arm happening right now. All right, as I sit here and struggle with this goddamn wig, stop it. Okay, there we go. Just do what I tell you. Now it's getting violent. All right. Okay. My goodness. Who'd have thought this wig would turn to such an adversary? Good Lord. What was meant to be fun for children is becoming a pain in the ass for me. Okay, there you are. Just getting the bottom untangled now. My God. Come on, sis. You looked presentable once. Now just get that way again. I think I found the direction I'm gonna go. And I think I like it. Yeah, I like it. It's just a matter of just smoothing. Once I get the front looking presentable, the back should come together like that. Okay, just smooth up our back. And then we'll get that little flippy dip on the front. Yes. As this hair wraps around my wrist as I go around it and tightens up, lacerating me. Yes, I love that. Oh, gorgeous. Yes, okay. Now, if this were nicer quality fiber, this would actually be a really pretty wig. I'm not gonna lie, like, I would probably rock this on a special occasion. It's got like a nice little Lisa Frank quality to it. Definitely channeling, you know, folders I saw in elementary school that I wanted so bad, like rainbow jaguars, having fun in a brook that, you know, dumps out pink liquid. Ugh. God, I miss Lisa Frank. She's still around, right? Is Lisa Frank still going? Those of you who school shop for your kids, is Lisa Frank still a thing? I feel like she would have come back by now. She is looking fairly presentable. You just grab my little scissors. Chop that blue up into here and the rest over there. Same on the other side. Bangs. Now let's do our little flippy dip thingy. She's a little bit Jane County, a little bit Lisa Frank, a little bit My Little Pony, and I'm not mad at that. Several children's characters all rolled up into one big gigantic wig monster. I'm actually not mad at this. Like, this is actually turning out kind of cute. Now I need to go through with like a pick and get some volume going in places, but I feel like she's actually kind of a wearable hairstyle. Like I said, if this were a nicer quality fiber in this color, I'd actually rock this. This is cute. She's like a Lisa Frank fantasy. I want a Trapper Keeper with this hairstyle on it. Yes. Oh yeah, with the pick, pulling up that volume, girl. Yes. Okay. I just gotta do a little bit of trimming here and there and just organize the bangs a bit because they got a little out of sorts as I was styling, but I think she's just about done. So I'm gonna do some final primpings and I'll be right back. Welcome back. This is the final result. Oh my God, I'm kind of obsessed with it. Like, I feel like it's really cute considering like $15 wigs, girl. Remember that, like $30 was spent here, okay? That is 30, right? I feel like 15 plus 15 is 30. Math, is that new math? I think it's right. Let me know if it's right, okay? I didn't pass school, okay? Now, this wig is fabulous, but it is just missing one more thing. The Jaymes Mansfield Magical Wig Spray from Black Phoenix Alchemy Lab. Let's just give this wig a spritz. Ah, now my hair smells just like cream soda. available at blackphoenixalchemylab.com. And now I would like to take a moment, a Venmo where I thank everyone who's tipped me on Venmo. I would like to thank Sergio. Thanks, Sergio. Hillary, Sean, Natalie, Ross, Mary, Melvin, and Mary. And I also have a PayPal emoji from Kate. Thank you, Kate. And Anthony. Thank you all so much for the tips on Venmo and the PayPal emojis. Now this week was so much fun to do. Thank you all so much for recommending this wig to me and these doll series. Like, oh my God, I never knew about them. And they're actually really fascinating and cute. I'm not gonna buy them, mind you, because I have enough stuff in my house already, okay? Like, I can't afford to start another collection. But I totally would if I had the space, okay? I don't have room. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye! Now hit the outro! Click here and see me do a Celia Cruz wig recreation. Or see me create a RuPaul puppet. Come on, click it. You know you want to. If you don't click it, I'll force feed you puppy chow. So click it.